Uncle, good afternoon.
What happened now?
Uncle, you not understand.
Why people running like this? What happened?
Those people, you are owing money. They are coming. Uncle, those people you are owing 155 naira. They are coming to this place.
They are coming here.
We saw them on the road. They are coming.
See, you know what will happen? If they come, I want to pretend like if I'm dead. Understand? So I will lie down on the floor that I'm dead. Understand? People will be crying.
Okay.
If you be crying and telling them I'm dead. Understand?
Uncle, boy, you are not dead.
Shut up! I'm dead. Are you hearing?
Dead
Yes.
with my 155 naira.
Yes.
Hi. How can your uncle die with my 30 naira that you have been owing me for the past 2 years? Hi. Well, no problem. We are here to inform your uncle that the man we met with him the other day, being last week, said we should come and tell him to come and collect his 5 million naira cash to start a business. But since he's dead, there's nothing we can do. We'll just have to go back and inform the man that he's dead.
Yes.
Hi. Try.
Sorry,
Sorry, you.
these small children.
Boss, I bet wait.
What? Yes,
Say 5 million. Wait, who is the man? Who is the man? Sure, wait, let us rejoin their class. We are going, please.
Thanks for watching this sweet comedy video.
Please subscribe, like and share. Subscribe to our channel. Please subscribe. Please. See you next time. Got it.